Hi guys, welcome back to Flatbreak Adventures, and today what I want to show you is my new camper trailer that you can see behind me. So yeah, we bought it budget build, the $300 trailer off Facebook Marketplace. So we'll go for a look around. I think it's 6 foot by 5 foot. The box on the front. Got the frame for the rooftop tent. The back lifts up. So yeah, it was a work in progress. So anyway, thought I'd show it to you guys and get to work on it. Let's get it ready for rego. It's already had an inspection and been knocked back. The tyres need replacing. It needs some reflectors put on the side of it. It needs this box taken off the front because it's all pretty rough. Otherwise, it's all pretty rusty down there, and there's holes in it. Okay, so I had the trailer for a couple of months, but last night went out and picked these drawers up. All the King's Titan drawers. All this extra carpet with it. Warranty. Okay, mounting bracket. So as you can see here, I'll put some hinges and some tyres, little stays on there, and these drawers will be, well, the wings for the drawers will be a couple of nice little shelves in the back of the tailgate. That'll work out good. Tidy up this wiring, which is absolutely disgusting shambles at the moment. It'll be one of my jobs for today. Just going to measure for height. I don't think we have enough room to fit our fridge in on this slide. Swivel. Damn. Fridge is 60mm too tall. Oh well, drawers have got to go. Okay, I'm just going to have a quick check on this wheel bearing. Sounds a bit growly, so I don't like it. Okay, ball bearings. Different to what I'm used to seeing. No idea what they're from. Okay, so these are the bearings that are currently in it. I have no idea what they're off. I can read that they are from Sweden, made in Sweden. There is a number that I can't read. Somebody with better eyes might be able to. So now time to Google part numbers to find out what they are and how much they are. It may be cheaper for me to put a whole new axle assembly in it. new axle, new hubs, new everything, which is probably not a bad thing because I really don't need brake drums that are holding the wheel studs and have a separate hub for it. It might be just cheaper and easier. There we go. Ah, shit in the grass. There we go, found it luckily. Hopefully the shrink there's small enough. Yes, awesome. Tail lights, right indicator work. Hopefully both brake lights work. I'll check that footage in a minute. Left indicator, we'll check the hazard lights. Awesome. Yep, number plate light works. Okay, now let's see what we've got in the box. Brackets, U-bolts, little bits that need to be welded onto the axle to keep the axle aligned with the springs, hub and bearings, nice, and that'll be the other hub and bearing kit. Awesome, very nice. Okay, everything I need. Now let's get these fitted. So what we need to do is to make sure the axle is centered. So I have jiggled with it a bit at the moment. We have 97 millimeters from spring to end of the axle, square part of the axle. This one we have 97 and a half. I'm not going to weigh about half a millimeter. Now let's mark them so we know where I need to weld those little tabs. They put scratch on the side of the spring each side. Tab there as well. So there's another marking. Okay, so there's little scratches there I've made. Line this up nicely, evenly in between. It's all been cleaned. So you can see up here where it's dirty and clean, and make sure there's no dirt, oil, grit in there. It's going to affect the weld. Now time to make things hot. Weld them into place. Just going to check it's going to fit properly. Now that I've welded these brackets on.
I know you want to practice welding, but don't me at the
Yep, perfect. Put some bit more grease in. This just gives it a bit more grease. I don't know what's actually in the bearings. And put the small one in. Oh. Bit excess, but that's all right.
What are you doing, mate? You're a smart ass. Are they tightening up, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Good work.
Where's that socket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Nice and tight. It turns. That's too tight.
Yeah.
I have to back it off just a little bit. Just like that, and then Sounds much easier. Oh, some air coming out of it. Get the grass out of it. In the bloody ratchet. Right. Now, get the split pin. Put him in. Yep. Around.
Did it break off, did it?
Yep. Just tapping it so it's nice and close to the nut. See, that'll stop it. Stop it from coming out. Now tap him in. Well, I hope you liked today's video, guys. Please give me a big like if you did. Subscribe so you get notified with the next one. Remember to click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.